GM and welcome to a new video. Let's talk about God. The token ticker is just epic. InfiniGods and the Valhalla Foundation. There's some things you need to do that are pretty urgent to get the airdrop. So this is why I wanted to release this video sooner than later, because there's not much time left. I'm gonna go into detail soon. Before we start, as always, make sure to subscribe to my channel, leave a like, that helps me a lot. And now let's dive in. Let's talk about InfiniGods. Actually, 2 years ago already, I released this video on InfiniGods where I presented this. This has been in German. They had InfiniMerge out then. Now they have 3 games out there already. Immortal Siege, King of Destiny, InfiniMerge. They have a lot of collections now, and the ecosystem has been thriving. If you held on to the membership passes from back in the day, then you got a lot of nice airdrops. Still, the Infini passes climbed in value, and also you got all those airdrops that are worth a lot now. And now they are releasing their token. They have a campaign for this with a lot of missions that you can do. You also get a lot of multipliers and bonuses if you hold NFTs from some of the partner collection here, as you can see in this tweet. 115 plus partners strong. So if you hold NFTs from any of those collections, then you get some bonuses for the airdrop campaign. For God, I said it, the token ticker is God, which is amazing. I will put all the important links down in the description. You can read more about the God coin there, the utility and the ecosystem from Valhalla or from InfiniGods, and everything that you can do with this token. I don't want to go into too much detail and just focus on the tasks at hand that you need to do. Again, all the links down in the description, also the InfiniGods account, the Valhalla Foundation account, everything is down there. But what you can actually do is go to valhallafoundation.xyz and then maybe use my referral link so I get some extra points. That would be this one. I will also put that one down in the description. What you need to do is go to the website, connect your X account, and then there's already a couple of stuff that you can do. There's certain missions. You need to connect your wallet, join the Discord, follow a certain amount of X accounts, do certain tweets, stuff like that. Also click on special, you see even more tasks that you can do. And under Thunderclap, and this is something that I still need to do, is write good tweets that tag Valhalla Foundation and include the God ticker. Then you can submit this, you can get 10k extra points, or if this is some really good content, you can get 100k. And also, if you have multipliers, then this rewards you a lot. So currently I don't hold any of the InfiniGods assets, but let's take a look at the multipliers. If you hold any InfiniGods assets, which I told you in the beginning, there's a lot now, and you got most of them for free if you held on to your passes from the beginning. There are certain multipliers that come with the different assets. So if you hold a ultimate pass, you basically get a 500% multiplier on all the points from all the missions and from the bonuses that we will get to later in this video. And this is kept at 1000%. So you can get up to 1000% bonuses if you hold any of the InfiniGod assets. Also, for all the partners, you actually can also get bonuses. Bonuses stack, and each partner NFT unlocks a 100% bonus. So as you can see, there's a lot of partner NFTs. Play Amber, AI Arena, Wolfstau, Memeland, Pixel Vault. It looks like this if you hold any of the partner NFTs. So I hold Pixel Vault NFTs. That grants me a bonus. If you connect your Magic Eden wallet, that's super easy for everyone. Get a 100% bonus if you connect your Magic Eden wallet. So like I said, there's a lot of NFT and partner communities that grant you the multiplier on top of the multipliers that you get for the InfiniGods NFTs. That's the one thing. You get multipliers. I have 300% multipliers, and you can see this here in missions. Because I have a 300% multiplier, I get 1000 thunder, as they call it, points, plus 3k bonus because of the 300%. Now, let's talk about the bonus. So this was the multipliers. Also, if you have those assets, you basically get a flat thunder bonus, and the bonuses stack. If you hold, for example, one community pass, you get 100k points per community pass that you hold. If you have a Paragon Elder God, you get 1 million points flat. On top of the multiplier that you get, which is 300%. Now, also, same for the partner NFTs. You basically get a certain amount if you hold partner NFTs on top of the multipliers that I showed you. For example, if you have a Wolfsdao NFT, you get 500k. If you hold 2 Wolfsdao NFTs that are eligible, you get 1 million thunder, and so on. So if you click on all the different things, you can go to visit marketplace, and it shows you which NFTs are eligible. For example, if I click on Games GG, one Games GG would give me 250k. I click on it, click on Visit Marketplace, and I see that those NFTs have a floor price of 0.47 ETH. So what you need to do basically is click on here and connect your wallet. I connected several wallets. To be honest, the delegate wallet didn't really work for me. I needed to connect the wallet that held the NFTs actually in it. Let me know if the delegate worked. For now, I only tried it a couple of days ago. The thing is, all of this is only possible. Let me see in which link this was. I think in this one here. In preparation for God, the road to Valhalla will end on Thursday, January 16th. So actually, you only have time until Thursday, 2 days left. So make sure that you connect your wallet. Always be careful. Make sure that this actually is the correct site. I always advise everyone on having Pocket Universe installed to make sure that you don't sign any malicious transactions. Double check, and if you don't want to connect a wallet, if you have a cold wallet with your NFTs in it, just don't do it. Just go through the missions and connect the wallets that you're comfortable with connecting, and then get the multipliers, get the bonuses, and make sure to have everything done until Thursday. Let's hope that this one gives us all a nice airdrop. Gaming tokens will have a nice season this year, I think, and InfiniGods have been one of the greatest builders, in my opinion. If you don't have any partner NFTs, or if you don't feel comfortable connecting your wallet, then just do the missions, the seasonal, the special, and the thunderclap. There's not much risk in that, except for connecting your X account. That being said, thank you so much, and see you in the next video.